Guys, tanong ko sa inyo, kailan pa kayo huling nakakita ng smartphone na halos kasing laki ng tablet? Kasi this is the brand new Nubia Neo 5 they called the Max. At guys, meron siyang 7.5 inches na display. 7.5 inches. Sobrang laki nun guys, hindi po yung normal. Kaya tignan natin guys, kung para kanino ba talaga tong cellphone na to. Basically, wala po siya sa cellphone or smartphone category. It's already in the phablet category. And by the way, of course guys, it's Kuya J sa Pantes Channel. Pamimigay tayo ng isang Nubia Neo 5 Max in this video, so panoorin mo hanggang dulo. Once again, this is Jay Zapante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Ripino. Let's go! So guys, this is the box itself from Nubia, pinadala nila sa atin. Hindi pa to lumalabas, so we're very thankful for having that. And they also actually send us more products na bago lang din po sa lineup nila guys. So kung napanood mo itong video na, napakaswerte mo kasi malalaman mo kung what's next for Nubia. And I can say na-appreciate ko sila kasi despite na napakatindi ng competition guys ng mga cellphone right now, grabe, they're really trying to, you know, make things more affordable and at the same time, nag-expand pa sila ng lineup ng mga produkto. But again, this is the box itself, Nubia Neo 5 Max, no? As you can see, 20 gigabytes of dynamic RAM and 256 of gigabytes of storage. This is a PR box, by the way. Sabi naman nila sa akin, yung darating naman talaga na actual product na mabibili no, during the launch is very similar naman dito. May onting extra lang talaga since this is what they call again a PR box. So meron siyang dalawang box na kasama. Wait lang, medyo snug talaga yung kanyang pagkakalagay. Grabe yung box ng Nubia talaga palagi, as in grabe yung level ng design. We have two devices here. Unahin muna natin tong maliit from this one. Ano to? Game suit? Game suit, no? So, let's check it out. Wait lang. Wait lang. Very snug, ha? Parang... grabe, ang tigas. Wait lang. Yan na. Bukas na. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Uy! Ay, cellphone na pala siya agad! Ito na pala yung smartphone itself. Wow! Look at that cellphone, guys. Look at that cellphone. Mamaya ako na mapakita yung likod, wait lang. And meron siya dito ang mga laman. Meron siya, of course, yung kanyang... Ano to? Grabe yung packaging, Meron siyang case. And the case itself, let's say, is basically a... Grabe talaga, guys. Itong cellphone na to, ano siya I can say jumbo. Jumbo, ano talaga siya, jumbo cellphone talaga siya. Ang laki niya guys. For sure sa camera medyo, parang medyo malapit lang naman yung size. Pero guys, maniwala kayo sa akin, na-experience ko talaga siya right now. Ang layo. It has a charging brick. As you can see here, na meron pong napakalaking packaging na may malaking space sa loob. Meron din po siyang, of course, the cord itself. Okay, and guys, the cord itself is again, angular. Okay, so again, hindi ka na maiirita pa naglalaro habang nagcha-charge. Okay? That's a very good detail. Okay, na pinag-isipan ng Nubia. I think sila na yung nagbibigay ng angular cable, no? Sa mga smartphones right now, right out of the box. Check natin, guys, kung ano yung laman na itong isa. So, ano to? Very interesting, Let's check it out. Medyo magaan siya. Wait lang. Grabe. Wait lang, guys. Ang hirap talaga buksan. Nubia, kung sino man gumawa ng packaging nyo, pakisabi sa kanya, ang galing niya. Mas mahirap pa sa mga Apple box Yun na, okay. Game Master suit. Oh! It has a MagSafe case. Which is very interesting. Whoa! Nice! That's so nice. Okay, put that aside. Tabi natin yan. Meron ding Nubia GT cables. So, ano to? Check natin. Grabe, sorry guys, ang dami natang i-unbox sa video na to Wow! Look at that! Guys, tingnan nyo yung texture ng cable na to. Like, see-through siya. Pero hindi siya angular pero see-through cable siya. So magagamit namin to. Thank you, Nubia. And alam ko na kung bakit may MagSafe. Meron siyang Nubia GT cooler. Wow! Guys, Nubia is on the next level, guys. Grabe, boy! So, basically, I assume dito siya didikit. So, may cooler na siyang kasama. Very thoughtful. Kung wala man MagSafe yung cellphone mo, meron silang binigay na pwede mo idikit just in case na kailangan mo siya i-magnet. And may mga clip siyang kasama na binigay na hindi ko alam kung saan to gagamitin. And meron din po siyang kasamang charging cable to power basically that thing. They also sent me this products which is basically, ito yung mga pinakabago nilang products this year, no? And they're also entering the accessories category, not just a smartphone. This is their Nubia Live Flip, no? So Nubia Live Flip basically is a earphones na pwede po sa mga runners right now. Ganito po siya tignan. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. Wow, look at that. So pag sinuot natin siya, ganito po ang kanyang itsura. Ayan, mabilisan lang naman to. So, it actually feels na wala kang suot and you can still hear your surroundings while at the same time listening to music. And definitely, this is gonna be very, very affordable. And I like, guys, the details na umiilaw yung Nubia, guys, na logo. It provides another premium experience. Sunod, they actually sent me their first ever noise cancelling earphones na I think very, very affordable din. I think 1,000 plus lang to. Sobrang mura lang. May noise cancelling earphones ka na. Active noise cancelling to, guys, ha. Wow, look at that. Grabe. And kakaiba yung design nila. Transparent yung taas and boom, look at that. And pag sinuot mo siya, kamukha po niya ang AirPods Pro. Same for factor. Yan po yung suot niya. So this is the Nubia Live Buds 3 Pro. And this is their charger. 80 watts charging brick, which actually basically came from Red Magic but just rebranded into a Nubia. Wow, look at that, guys. Ang ganda. So 80 watt charging brick na perfect square. Maliit lang yung size niya. Napa-fold siya ng ganyan and it has a USB-A and dalawang USB-C and may kasama po siyang cable just in case kailangan ninyo, guys. So again, napakalupit, no? And this is the phone itself. Guys, ang laki talaga niya. Paabot niya ako ng Nubia V80 Max. So from the phone itself, meron po siyang details dito. 120Hz, 7.5 inches, 1.5K display, 30mm cooling area with 2-layer VC design, 7,100 mAh battery, and a Neo Tiger 5.0, guys. Grabe, ito po yung cellphone na niya. And for the first time ever, makikita natin siya right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look at that smartphone. Grabe. For instance, this is the Nubia V80 Max and this is the Nubia Neo 5 Max. Grabe, ganoon siya kalaki. Ang laki talaga niya, guys. So, again, I think ito yung klase ng phone na hindi lang basta malaki ang screen ng pega. This is a giant screen na merong different or new identity. Para bumalik tayo sa panahon ng phablets dati, pero this time, mas malaki pa, mas may laman, at mas gaming focus. Because before, phablets are just being used for kids, for let's say watching movies, but this time, ginagawa na po siyang gaming phones. Kung mahilig ka manood ng video or maglaro sa mas malaking screen as much as possible, or kung gusto mong pumasok sa big screen phone trend right now this year 2026, or kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng phone na medyo iba talaga right now sa lahat or sa karamihan, then this is the phone that definitely something worth looking for. Ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin, guys, yung pinaka, of course, obvious na uniqueness, guys, ng cellphone na to. Guys, the 7.5 inches display. I think ito na yung pinakamalaking screen na makikita mo right now on a smartphone this year, 2026. One of a kind siya right now and wala siyang kalaban. And meron po ito, of course, since malaki siya, it needs a higher resolution rate. Meron po siyang 1.5K resolution. It's perfect for watching videos, going gaming, guys, on a bigger screen, and multitasking, of course, since malaki yung space na pwede mong gamitin. And according mismo sa Nubia, guys, dinesign talaga nila itong smartphone na to para gamitin sa mga handheld gamers. Okay? Ibig sabihin, manipis siya actually. It gives you a portable grip and at the same time, it gives you a bigger display. Imaginein mo yun, para kang may sariling gaming console and at the same time, may cellphone ka pa. Next naman, pag-usapan natin ang chipset. Of course, guys, napaka-importante na ito na Nubia Neo 5 Max runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 7100 processor with 20GB of dynamic RAM and 256GB of base storage right out of the box. So, hindi ito yung I can say, diretso lang tayo. Hindi ito yung pinakamalakas na chipset sa buong Neo 5 series right now. Pero, sa laki ng screen nito right now, I can say, sapat na to for a very, very smooth everyday gaming and multitasking needs. Meaning, casual to mid-tier gaming, okay, wala kang problema. Streaming, wala kang problema. Multitasking, gamitin ng malaking screen, wala kang magiging problema. Kayang-kaya to, guys, i-deliver ang mga needs mo. At syempre, hindi rin nila, of course, kinalimutan yung DNA ng Nubia bilang a gaming brand. The Nubia Neo 5 Max, of course, includes already, of course, the built-in capacitive touch shoulder triggers na hindi po siya actual buttons. It's actually a trigger button that's very, very similar to 3D 3D touch from the iPhone during those days way back before. Ibig sabihin, kahit malaking cellphone mo, no, meron po siyang dedicated gaming controls kasi again, Nubia is for gamers katulad ko. At syempre, part din siya guys ng buong Neo 5 gaming ecosystem. Kasama na rin po, meron din po siyang tinatawag nating AI Game Space. Demi, of course, ito yung AI gaming companion nila. Meaning kahit malaking screen or max ang focus ng cellphone na to, hindi nila kalimutan yung core gaming identity na hinahanap-hanap ng mga loyal Nubia users. Now, eto guys, of course, pag-usapan natin kasi kailangan talaga natin to whenever we have a very big screen. Guys, this has a 7,100 mAh battery and sobrang laki po niyan. And guys, meron pa po siyang fast charging support guys. Of course, a big battery needs a fast charging support. Meaning kahit malaki yung screen ng cellphone na to guys, wala ka magiging problema in terms of sustainability ng power nito. Kaya na rin pong tumagal dire-diretso sa gaming session sa i-require mo. And guys, mabilis din po siya mag-charge. Of course, in case na malulobat ka na. Perfect talaga para sa mga tao na, of course, hardcore gamers, patagal manood ng content, yung mga binge watchers, talagang all day around nanonood sa TikTok, and ayaw ng low battery anxiety. Camera naman guys, I can say Nubia was very practical guys sa setup ng smartphone na to guys. It has a 50 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel auxiliary sensor for better portrait photographies, and sa harap naman guys, it has a 16 megapixel front camera. I can say guys, nakakatuwa lang sa Neo 5 GT series or Neo 5 series as a whole. Palaging may 50 megapixel main camera and 16 to 17 megapixel front camera. Across all the board, pare-pares na naman sila, and I can say sapat na siya for every photos, content clips, video calls, and kung ano man yung ide-demand mo as long as hindi to professional grade. At syempre, hindi lang siya basta ordinaryong tignan guys. The design of the Nubia Neo 5 box is bold and sporty guys. Grabe, napakaganda guys. And of course, nandito yung signature nilang icon guys. Meron pa siyang tinatawag na dark green finish na may distinct pattern sa likod. And guys, ang pinakamalupit neto, meron po siyang IP64 water and dust resistance rating and Android 16. So kahit malaki siya, meron siyang sariling character na hindi lang basta malaking cellphone ang hawak mo. This is a gaming phone na unique, stylish, matibay, matagal malobat, modern, and at the same time, very sporty yung design. So para kanino ang Nubia Neo 5 Max guys? Honestly, para sa mga taong gusto ng phone na may pinakamalaking screen, of course, obvious na makikita mo sa smartphone this year 2026. So kung bitin ka sa mga 6.8, 6.7, 6.9 inches, then definitely ito lang ang option na pwede mo makita this year 2026. And of course, a big screen needs a bigger battery for longer sessions. May gaming control size like for example yung shoulder triggers na meron right now si Nubia since gaming focus talaga itong cellphone na to. And of course guys, totally different na walang katulad na cellphone right now sa buong market guys. So pwede kang pag-usapan guys ng buong magkaka-classmate o magkakatrabaho na, uy grabe naman James, ang laki naman ng cellphone mo, ang laki naman yan. Okay, pero I can say perfect to para sa mga content consumers na gusto ng malaki screen, hindi lang mga gamers, I can say. Casual gamers of course na gusto ng mas immersive experience. Of course, the bigger the screen, the more immersive experience you will have. And mga taong gustong subukan yung tinatawag nating phablet trend ulit. Guys, phablet has been here and this is the first ever na nag-resurrect sila, no? This is a good comeback and I can say napaka-solid nito. Ngayon, presyo naman, SRP will be at 19,999 pesos. I can say this is not the phone para sa lahat kasi malaki talaga siya. And honestly, hindi siya also for one-hand use kasi isang kamay pa lang guys, nahihirapan na ako too much. So definitely, dalawa talaga gamitin mong kamay dito. Pero kung ikaw yung phone na naghahanap ng phone na talagang iba talaga sa lahat, may sariling wow factor, malaki lang basically, gamer ka, you want more immersive experience, then this is the smartphone para sa'yo. And honestly, sa panahon right now na halos, totoo naman, magkakapareho na po yung design ng mga smartphone. Halos actually very similar na nila. Presyo na lang talaga nagkakatalo. Nubia decided to go on a opposite direction. They decided to go bigger and they decided to be more different. And ayun mismo ang dahilan kung bakit isa to sa mga pinaka-pinag-uusapang smartphone right now sa buong Pilipinas. And of course guys, giveaway time. We're giving away Nubia Neo 5 Max. Isang piraso po worth 20,000 pesos in this video completely for free. But basically before that, i-announce na muna natin guys yung winner ng ating giveaway from our last video, which is the Oppo Reno 15F guys So if ikaw to, i-flash ko right now sa screen. Kung ikaw tong comment na to, go message our Facebook page right now, Kuya James Afante with blue check mark right now on Facebook to claim your prize. And again, if gusto mo manalo guys dito completely for free, simple lang kailangan mong gawin. I-like mo lang tong video na to, mag-subscribe ka right now sa channel natin and turn on the notification bell. And I-comment ko dyan sa baba guys kung ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mong feature guys on the Nubia Neo 5 Max. Winners will be announced on our upcoming videos guys. And by the way, kung gusto mo ng cellphone na to right now, gusto mong bumili with freebies, with cash on delivery, with the biggest voucher, lowest price guaranteed guys, I have attached a link in the description down below guys para makabili na kayo, makauna na kayo right now. Again, guarantee ko po sa inyo, yan ang may pinakamurang presyo right now sa buong Pilipinas. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James Ipino. Let's go.